Education Honors. Approaches and methods of teaching learning biological science, problem solving method. Introduction. In biological science, the problem solving method is a scientific way of learning. In this method, students learn by finding solutions to real life problems. This approach makes them think, analyze, and use their knowledge of science to solve issues. This method helps students become active learners, develop scientific thinking, and prepare for real-life situations. What is problem-solving method in biological science? Problem-solving method is a systematic process in which a student identifies a problem, tries to understand it, thinks of possible solutions, hypotheses, collects and tests information, finally, finds the best solution. Example: why do some plants in the school garden look weak even though they get water? B. Steps in problem solving method. 1. Problem identification. First, the student or teacher finds a real life biological problem to solve. The problem must be clear, simple, and related to students' environment. Example: why do mosquitoes increase after the rainy season? 2. Formulation of hypotheses. The student thinks of possible answers or reasons behind the problem. These are called hypotheses. A hypothesis is a smart guess based on what the student already knows. Example: mosquitoes grow more because of stagnant water near the school. 3. Collection of data. The student gathers information through observation, books, surveys, internet, or experiments. This helps to support or reject the hypotheses. Example: visit areas around the school to see if there are water puddles, tanks, or blocked drains. 4. Testing hypotheses. The student tests the ideas using collected data. They check which hypotheses are true or false. Example: they may find that mosquitoes are only in areas with standing water and not where it is dry. 5. Arriving at solution. Based on data and testing, the student decides the best solution. The solution must be logical, practical, and possible to apply. Example: to stop mosquitoes, the solution could be draining the water, cleaning the area, and using mosquito repellents. C. Importance of problem-solving method in biology. 1. Develops scientific thinking. Students observe, question, think, and decide logically. 2. Promotes active learning. Learners are active participants, not passive listeners. 3. Connects science to real life. Makes students see how science works in daily life. Indian example: solving the problem of crop damage by pests by using natural pesticides. 4. Encourages inquiry and curiosity. Students learn to ask why and how questions, which builds interest. 5. Improves communication and teamwork. Many problems are solved in groups, helping students to discuss and share ideas. D. Role of teacher in problem-solving method. Select local and relevant problems for the students. Guide students in thinking and planning, not just giving answers. Provide resources like charts, books, or tools. Help in data collection and safety during experiments. Encourage students to present and explain their solutions. E. Limitations of problem-solving method. 1. Time-consuming. Solving problems takes more time than normal teaching. 2. Requires training. Teachers and students may need training and practice in the process. 3. Not suitable for all topics. Some topics in biology are better taught through explanation or demonstration. 4. Lack of resources in some Indian schools. Some schools may not have enough lab materials, time, or teacher support. Conclusion. The problem-solving method is a very useful and meaningful way of teaching biological science. It helps students think scientifically, act responsibly, and become independent learners. In India, it can be used effectively by choosing local, simple, and practical problems. With teacher support, this method can make science exciting, useful, and life connected for every student.